Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 73. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Princess Mingwei and General Tantay. I I can stay if you want, leave if you want. Why ask me? Princess Mingwei said to General Tantay. Well, it turns out she really gave her permissions, but also, Mingwei, I know that many of your voice that the fuss were not heard, and the thoughts of the fuss were not valued. But it is different now. General Tantay is trying to comfort her. Oh, looking at General Tantay, she looks really serious. He said to her, with me, you can say anything you want, but it doesn't matter what you do. Well, this kind of confession is really cute. General Tantay said to her, a little bit from now on. She grabbed her to get closer to her, but Princess Mingwei said, will you stay with me? Oh, this is really getting good, right? Since that Princess Mingwei, she's not getting shy anymore. I have a lot to say to you, and I have a lot of things to hear from you. Princess Mingwei said to her. Her face is really turning red, and also, can ask for it. General Tantay said to her. She moved closer and kissed her gently, and Princess Mingwei, she was blushing. Of course, she got really shy when General Tantay is always approaching her. Back to the Empress and Emperor on the jade bedroom. The Emperor said, it is still Tsar. Oh, she have a perfect partner right now. The Emperor is helping her. But the Emperor said, I will call the doctor. It seems that the Empress right now, she is having difficulty on her back. That's why the Emperor is massaging her. But looking at the little queen, at this time, if you call the Imperial Doctor, just need it for me. The little queen said to her, oh, right now. Turns out she don't want to bother anyone. Of course, just only stay with her. Yan Yan, it is really alright. Wouldn't you be lying to me in order to calm my heart? It's really okay. I call tomorrow. San Bao went to the treasury to find out the books written by founding empress. Have you ever thought about restoring your being a daughter? The founding emperor is a woman, so what's wrong? Xinian said to the little queen. But of course, right now, it was really difficult. The first emperor is a man, but also to take care of your own enjoyment, and you are inconfident. In the years you just came to the throne, you were always cleaning up the mess he left behind. Now it really makes sense. Well, it be brought to the first emperor. Hear me, it's too true. Little Queen said to Xinian, it really makes sense, and she has some points. Going to be easy like that. Xinian, she really knows this. Those people thinks that the emperor who knew that has been loyal to Aligayans was actually a daughter, and she don't know how many things would happen. Xinian, she has some point. Revealing that she is the daughter, it was really tricky, and also, it was also dangerous. It was a wounded bones, that's all. Xinian said to her. You are tired tonight. Tomorrow, I will make flower cakes for you. In person, okay? Xinian said to her. Definitely, that was really amazing. Looking at the little queen, she said to her, you don't like herself. So soaking in one hand, let the kitchen do it. The little queen said to Xinian, of course, you really don't want her on having difficulties. There's a group of bandits in the suburbs who are tangled into a climate. The Ministry of War has been sent and got to suppress the bandits. If you want to come, you can return to the common people. Well, definitely right now, everyone seems to be worried. There are good ways to be governed the country. Oops, Sinyan, why suddenly she looks so ill? She's feeling right now. It seems that she's going to fall down. Looking at her face, it was really pale. Emperor, the servant is calling her. Are you feeling unwell today? The servant is calling her. Of course, she looks really unwell, that's why he really noticed it. Now, Sinyan said it's a little uncomfortable, so a few adults should go out to the palace first. Why is the face of the emperor looks so bad? How can you feel at ease if you go out to Gochen like this? Just come and see. Pay close attention. Yes, you need Shanbao. Go and ask the imperial doctor. Everyone seems to be worried about Xinyan. She looks really not good, but still, she was insisting to do her work. It's all right, Xinyan said to them. Now, please send the people out of the palace. Xinyan giving orders to all of them. Of course, right now, she looks really uncomfortable. Suddenly, this happened. The emperor is going to fall down. Finished Sanvow, he is really worried about her. Let's see on what will happen. Why suddenly Xinyan got sick and she was clearly fine and okay last day. Emperor, the sage bowed uneasy. If he left out these moments, he would inevitably fall into the real populations now, whether we are leaving or staying. It's been tough. The palace doctor already came. Say something that shouldn't be said. The emperor will get married soon. It's been a year and, so far, there's no good mens. Of loose lower's body is not good. Now, it really makes sense to the little queen. Now, she said, I know a little bit, but I can help but to worry about her. Little queen stayed in the room. She was only looking for Xinyan. Of course, she got really worried about her. Madame, don't worry, there's no serious problem under the emperor. The evil wind enters the body and the body is a little bit cold. The physician said to the little queen, well, everyone seems to be serious, right? Talk to emperor right now, she already awakened. Little queen, she was retreating and she looks really worried about her. How can it be good? The little queen said to her. Of course, she really worried about her. Xinian, looking at her face, she was still in fear. Don't worry, it's all right, Xinian said to the little queen. And also, of being uncomfortable, let's see sooner that she will really fully recover for her sickness. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.